You think your iPhone messages are gone once you hit delete? Think again. Most people don't realize their private chats are actually hiding in a secret folder for 30 days. I'm showing you how to actually wipe your messages for good, from single text to entire conversations. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about deleting specific parts of a chat without nuking the whole thread. Open your Messages app and jump into a conversation. Instead of just tapping, long press on the specific bubble you want gone. Tap more at the bottom. Now you can cherry pick individual messages or tap multiple bubbles to bulk delete. Hit that trash icon, confirm, and they're out of sight. But what if you want the whole conversation gone in one swipe? It's even faster. From your main inbox, just swipe left on any contact. You'll see the red trash icon. Tap it, confirm delete, and the whole history vanishes from your list. Now here's the part 90% of people miss. Even though that chat looks gone, it still takes up space on your iPhone and could be recovered by anyone with your passcode. To finish the job, tap Filters in the top corner. Now go down to Recently Deleted. Your iPhone stores these ghost messages for up to 40 days. If you want them gone forever right now, select the chats and hit delete. Or if you made a mistake, this is where you can hit recover. Once you delete them here, they're gone for good. That is how you properly clean up your iPhone storage and keep your privacy locked down. If this saved you some space, smash that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips that actually matter. Ever wonder how to activate your 120Hz refresh rate on your iPhone? Check out this video now.